All right, you've heard the chatter about ChatGPT. Let's jump in and see whether it can answer some standard project management questions I have for it. What is the metric SPI in earned value? Let's see how smart it is. Let's see whether it will find that out for me. The Schedule Performance Index is a metric used in earned value management to measure the efficiency of schedule performance on a project. It is calculated by dividing the earned value by the planned value. A value of 1 indicates that the project is on schedule. Value less than 1 indicate the project is behind schedule, and values greater than 1 indicate the project is ahead of schedule. Well done, ChatGPT. You're very clever. Well, let's see if you can solve this problem. If the earned value is $100 and the planned value is $80, what is the SPI? Let's see if you're smart enough. I know you're not very good at math. But let's see. Okay. Ooh, it's clever. It was able to find the Schedule Performance Index. Project managers, be very afraid. All right, let's keep playing with this smart cookie here. So let me ask you this, ChatGPT. What is the year PMI was founded? It knows I'm talking about Project Management Institute. It's very clever. Let me ask it a few more questions. What are the 10 knowledge areas of project management? Oh dear. It even knows where it is. We're in trouble, project managers. Integration, scope. Oh, you're wrong, ChatGPT. You're living in the dark ages. It's actually schedule, but I'm going to give it to you. You did your best. So this can be fixed. But yeah, it did its best. Very good. It's quite smart. Now let me ask it another question. What are the revenue numbers for PMI in 2021? My training only goes up to 2021. Okay. Let's see if you're able to find this on their website. I'm not sure if 2022 is out there. Tell me. Okay, I forgive you. Let me ask you another question. Okay, all right. Here's another question. Let's keep along the lines of earned value. To complete performance index. What is it? It's smart. Okay. And it's very correct. Okay, so it's telling you that TCPI is a metric that's used to measure the efficiency of performance to complete the project. It's calculated by dividing BAC minus EV divided by BAC minus that's not entirely right. By the remaining budget at completion minus... No. So it should be BAC minus EV divided by BAC minus AC. But it tried its best. But let me give it some numbers. BAC equals $100 and EV equals $50 and EAC equals $120 and AC equals $30. What is TCPI? Wow, so it's self-corrected. Did you see what happened? It now self-corrected to use the data perhaps to learn. And it's calculating everything. Wow. Procedurally, for that matter. Oh my goodness. It pretty much took the equation, gave you the logic, and wrote it all out. So you do know the implication of a tool like this, my friends. Something like this is able to do the work that several people would have done. Because if I have 10 computers running scripts and queries that typically a project manager would have spent all day researching, where's the little job going to be? See, you got to get smarter. You got to know how to use the tool to get what you need, right? All right, let's ask it a few more questions. What is leadership? Guide, motivate, and direct towards a common goal. It involves the use of influence, communication, and decision-making skills to inspire others to achieve their full potential. Effective leaders possess a variety of qualities and traits such as vision, integrity, empathy, and adaptability. Very clever. What is the Hersey-Blanchard model? It's even telling you it's called a situational leadership model. This thing is smart. The model proposes that the most efficient leadership style is one that is matched to the level of maturity or development level of the individual or group being led. The model identifies 4 different development levels: telling or directing. It's even giving you both names. This thing is crazy. I'm telling you, hey, how many of you PMPs know this down to this level that you could learn a thing or two? I'm telling you, maybe you want to start using this to do some research, right? All right, here we go. Here's the next one. What is Professor Emeritus Albert Mehrabian's theory? I kind of scrambled it around. Let's see whether it can decipher that. Wow. I couldn't fool it. It knows the facial expressions, tone of voice, body language, the 55-38-7. It's crazy. It's bananas, isn't it? Isn't this just crazy? Do you know the implication of this? I typically would have to spend minutes and in some cases hours putting together arguments and descriptions of things for my students. But this puts it in fine English language that the corrections, if any, that I would need to do are minimal. This thing could write you an entire book. Like you look at the PMBOK guide and it would write it in its own words. This is not being pulled from anywhere in particular. It's so intelligent. What is the ADKAR model? Let's see if it knows that. Do you know what the ADKAR model is? It knows. It's a change management model developed by ProSci, and it's telling you the awareness, desire, knowledge, ability, and reinforcement. Ridiculous. Yeah, ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm curious if it understands what Agile is. What is Agile? Hey, if it knows what Agile is, I will be ecstatic. If it tells me it's a framework or a methodology, it's going to need a little bit of a tweak. And I don't blame it. It's probably what it finds out there and what it's learned from. So, can you tell me what is Agile? No, it's not. I knew it was gonna say that. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, so this is not correct, and I don't blame you. You don't understand. But Agile is not a methodology, and Scrum is not a methodology. So wherever it's pulling this from, this is where you have to do some additional research when you ask it questions, because this is not right. Agile is not a methodology. And it's unfortunate because it's pulling this from a larger network of information that it has been fed. But Agile is a mindset, it's not a methodology. All right, my friends, I hope you had fun with me just kicking back here and looking into what this amazing tool can do. If you haven't signed up, just going down to the website. You'll find it. Just Google ChatGPT and you'll be able to register. It's very straightforward. All right. I'll see you in another episode. We'll keep quizzing the system, see if it gets caught up to know what Agile is eventually. Talk to you soon.